Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to unrelate two records in dynamic CRM using MS Flow. For that, I have created a solution and a flow inside that just for saving the time. And I'm quickly opening that flow and quickly explaining what I'm doing. So this is a HTTP triggered flow that we have created. We have initialized the account and the contact grid coming from the account record and the contact record. So just to create a scenario, we did this, and until I explain the OData later. So this is the get account connector that we are using to get the account, and same goes for the contact. So now we have all the details for account and contact that we want to unrelate. So this is the unrelate connector that we are using. It is available in the common data CDS current environment connector, and it needs the contact grid, the relation between account and contact, and this OData. This OData URL is coming from the account entity. So this is the output of this get account connector, and that I'm storing that into this OData variable. This is the direct output of this. So once we yeah, let's quickly test this. I'm clicking on this test button and I'm hitting this URL, and it is uh, executing, and it is giving me this result, and you can see that it is showing the version 9.1. Let's quickly try to resolve this. So instead of this, we will use an expression replace. We are picking this OData. Sorry, and the replace. We are gonna use going to adding this, and we are replacing the version 9.1 to version 9.0. Yeah, so the final thing will be like this, and we are clicking OK. So this, let's quickly test this. Click on test. This will start and this will trigger the integrator. Let's go and see how it is working. Yeah, here we get the record. There's no error. Let's go back to the account record. This was the record, and let's quickly refresh it. And here it goes. So it become unrelated. So main thing that we have to focus is the URL that we have written to replace. So now instead of 9.1, we have to replace it with 9.0. Thank you for watching.